A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. When we did go through the book of Colossians, we did read say everything we make God did they in a Jesus. So now, if Jesus did see the need for prayer, what about we? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And go ahead right now, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 1 from verse 29 to verse 39. After Jesus left the Judean church, them got straight to Simon and Andrew house. James and John, they go with them too. Simon mother-in-law did sick in a bed and rose with fever. When Jesus reached the house, them tell him about her. Jesus go to her, hold her hand, and take time raise her up. The fever broke, and she start look after them. After the sun go down and evening come, the people them carry all of the sick people them and all of the people them where demon did a control go at Jesus. The whole town gather up at the house door. So him heal whole heap of them with it sick with all kind of different sickness and run out demon out of enough of them. But he never make the demon them say nothing, cause they didn't know who him be. Early in the morning, when it did still dark, Jesus get up and go find one place where nobody know there, so he could stand there and pray. So Simon and his friend then start look for him. When them find him, them say to him, say, everybody a look for you. So him answer them say, make we go to some other place in a district them where they near you so me can preach to them too, cause at that me come out here for do. So him go all about Galilee, go preach in the Judean church and run out demon out of people. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.